Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel LKT Bro Financial Freedom and welcome back to my weekly series for Nifty and Bank Nifty. We are not interested in sell setup. We are interested only in the buying setup. In coming weeks, we are expecting market to go high and break this top. Friends, after getting this impulsive move to the downside, we get a corrective wave. It came in a form of running flat. We mark it as A, B and C. After this corrective wave, we get another impulsive wave to the downside. By connecting these two impulsive waves, we get a trend line. The first confirmation for the trend reversal by breaking the trend line. The second confirmation once the previous impulsive move was broken. Friends, what next? Next week we expect a corrective wave to the downside. It may be a regular flat or expanding flat or running flat. Friends, next week we will get any one of this corrective wave. That is our third confirmation and good time to enter. If you draw a Fibonacci for this impulsive wave, the 0.618 is a golden ratio which comes between 23,098 is our entry point for the buying position and our stop loss will be 22,769. Friends, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please do your research before taking any decision. Bank Nifty in the 4 hours time frame, I can see a impulsive move to the upside. After this impulsive move, we got a 3-wave corrective structure. It came in the form of expanding flat. After this expanding flat, we can expect a move to the upside. Friends, regarding the Bank Nifty index, after getting this impulsive move to the downside, we got a corrective wave which came in a form of expanding flat. Mark it as A, B, C. Next week we expect a impulsive move to the downside which will break this low. Friends, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please take your own decision. Friends, see you in next video. Until then, be safe and trade safe. Goodbye.